How much is your two-piece and a biscuit? Alright. Well, sure, let me get two-piece and a biscuit. Well, what you want, red? Oh, let's go spicy. Yeah. What you want, red?
Yeah,
yeah.
Nah, do you guys sell 8 pieces?
I'm sorry?
Do you sell an 8-piece?
Oh, yes, you do.
Actually, nah, matter of fact, hey, let me just get a 2-piece and a biscuit. Spicy?
I'm sorry, was this on the same thing?
These next 2 orders are. This next order. And the last order.
So it's all on one ticket?
No. Yeah. Alright, we got one more.
That 2 pieces, not as spicy.
Not a spicy.
Spicy?
Alright.
And I'd like to have a loaded chicken wrap and 2 biscuits.
It's a wrap, mild, or spicy?
Spicy.
Anything else?
You got 2 biscuits, right?
Yeah.
Alright, that's all.